Is your productivity stopped because Inno Setup, a garbage localized decompression engine, can't find the Isarcextract.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To start fixing Isarcextract manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Isarcextract, a specialized library used by high-compression repack installers to manage the extraction of localized archive segments. It provides the decompression logic for ISArchive formats. Missing Isarcextract.dll is a leading cause of installation errors. When it fails, the setup program will typically report a runtime error at 120, cannot find Isarcextract.dll. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Errors involving Isarcextract.dll typically suggest that the Inno Setup/localized decompression engine files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Isarcextract file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Safety first, never attempt to replace Isarcextract.dll with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing Isarcextract and system behavior. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Isarcextract working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.